If you're sending NPS surveys by email, up to 85% of your customers never respond. The fix is simpler than you think. Ask for feedback right inside the chat conversation while the experience is still fresh. This guide shows you exactly how to set up NPS templates in Zendesk messaging. Email NPS has a fundamental timing problem. By the time the survey hits an inbox, customers have already moved on. Surveys get flagged as spam, answered days later with no real memory of the interaction, or simply ignored. Messaging NPS solves all of this by capturing feedback in the moment. Instead of a separate email, the NPS question appears directly inside the chat window. The customer is already there, already engaged, and the interaction is still fresh. That context shift alone dramatically increases response rates. Before building your first NPS template, make sure you have 3 things: a Zendesk account with messaging enabled, admin or developer permissions, and a clear goal for what you are measuring. Decide upfront whether you want transactional NPS after specific interactions or relational NPS tracking overall loyalty. NPS templates in Zendesk are created through the Conversations API. You will need your app ID, key ID, and secret from your Zendesk admin settings. The endpoint is a simple post request to the templates path under your app. Your API request includes a template name and a message object. Template names can only use letters, numbers, hyphens, and underscores, so plan your naming convention early. Once created, the template lives in your account and can be reused across any conversation. Once your template exists, sending it is a single shorthand command. Agents type the template name wrapped in double % symbols, and the NPS message drops into the conversation instantly. You can also wire this into macros so the survey fires automatically when a ticket is marked solved. Plain text NPS works, but clickable rating buttons create a far better experience. Instead of asking customers to type a number, structured messages display reply buttons for each score. One tap, and the rating is captured, no typing required. There are 4 NPS patterns worth knowing. The basic grouped version uses 3 buttons for detractor, passive, and promoter. The follow-up form captures the reason behind the score. A post-resolution trigger fires automatically when the ticket closes, and the conversational AI flow lets an agent bot ask naturally at the end of a resolved chat. If you prefer a no-code route, several tools integrate directly with Zendesk. Delighted offers a generous free tier. GrowthDot is a native app at a flat $95 per month. NiceReply spans multiple channels, and SiteMill keeps things minimal with a simple webhook setup. Timing matters more than most teams realize. Never send NPS before the issue is fully resolved, and always use conversational language rather than formal survey speak. When promoters rate you 9 or 10, ask for a review. When detractors rate you 6 or below, escalate immediately while the experience is still salvageable. If building API templates sounds like more work than you want to take on, Eesel AI offers a faster path. It connects directly to Zendesk and handles NPS collection through natural AI conversation, with no credentials to configure or code to write. You get real-time feedback analysis and one-click setup, all on top of your existing Zendesk subscription. NPS inside messaging is one of the highest leverage changes you can make to your support feedback loop. Set up a template today and start capturing the scores that actually reflect real customer experience. Try Eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai.